I'm getting married. Hey, my name's Melinda. I'm a Sephora Beauty Director and I'm getting married. I'm very excited. I've been researching all of the bridal hair on YouTube. I found a few styles that I like and I want to show you 2 of them today. So let's jump in. So I have some beautiful waves already in my hair that's gonna help with the style. I also wanna prep a little bit with this from Living Proof. It's one of my favorites. This is the Full Dry Volume and Texture Spray. So it's gonna add a little bit of texture, a little bit of volume, and also a bit of grip, which will help when we braid later. So I'm just gonna give this a shake and spray about 10 inches away and go ahead and butterfly my hair up like so as I spray so everything gets coated. Just let that work itself in a little bit, and same thing on the other side. You don't have to be perfect about this. So that's really just gonna help create some texture and a little grip for when we're braiding later. It'll make styling even easier. So I always love with any hair routine to incorporate something that's going to pump a little moisture back in. So whether your hair is dry or you're using a heat tool, whatever it might be, use something like this. I love this one from JVN. This is the Complete Nourishing Hair Oil Shine Drops. It's gonna make your hair super shiny for photos and videos, which we love on our wedding day. And it does a little extra moisture as well. Just gonna take the dropper and grab maybe 3 drops. I'm gonna keep it light because I don't wanna weigh down my hair for this style. I just want the ends to look nice and shiny. And rub those between my fingers just to get it coated. And I'm literally just gonna take from like about here down my fingers and run it through. Just keeps my ends nice and smooth and looking healthy. You'll see why that's important when we get to the style. All right, so I'm gonna be turning around to do my hairstyle from the back so you can see it nice and easy. Throughout, I'm gonna be using a regular hair tie, one of the plastic little clear hair ties, and then also some pins, just so you know up front. All right, to start, I'm just gonna grab my hair tie in my hand and get that ready so that when I pull my hair back into a low pony, kind of where you want your bun to sit, I have my hair tie on my hand already. I can just pull that around one time. And then the second time I pull it around, I'm just gonna pull my hair through about that much, about a third way through, a fourth maybe. It creates this really cute bun on top of your ponytail. And now I'm gonna show you how you can actually conceal your ponytail holder with a piece of your hair. But first, I wanna talk to you about Color Wow because we're gonna use this. This is the 1-minute transformation styling cream. Basically, I'm just gonna take a little dollop of this on my fingertips before I go in to grab my hair. I'm gonna find a piece underneath here that has a little bit of length, just so I know I have enough to work with. So you can see, we can let those little pieces go. This piece is nice and long. I'm going to use that styling cream on my fingertips to smooth that out. I'm gonna wrap mine around twice because my hair is nice and long and I'll cover it even better. But if you have shorter hair, you can always back comb it ahead of time. And then I'm just gonna take a regular pin and I'm gonna secure that piece of hair underneath the bun to keep it in place. So I'm gonna turn just so you can see what it looks like from the back. I just feel like this is such a romantic and somewhat unique hairstyle you can do on your own, super easy. So I went ahead and removed the piece of hair that was concealing my ponytail holder, so we're set back with the bun, and I'm gonna show you how I can transform this into yet another hairstyle. All right, so the next step is super simple. You're just gonna take all the hair that's hanging below your bun, and we're gonna braid it. So I'm gonna split it into 3 pieces, like you would for any old braid, and just start crossing them over. I'm gonna keep this a little bit loose, not too tight, because I want it to be nice and voluminous. When you get to the end of your braid, we're going to take a little plastic ponytail holder and just wrap it around the end to secure it in place. So we're gonna take it and we're actually going to wrap it around the bun. Once you get to the end, you can just go ahead and tuck that underneath where you placed the braid to nicely hide it. And then you're gonna take another hairpin and just secure that end into the bun. I'm gonna grab one more hairpin because I have my little end sticking out here. Secure that. Once you get to this point, it's really personal preference. You can pull the braid out a little bit and make it even more voluminous. I'm actually gonna turn around and pull some wispies out in the front to make it a little more romantic. All right, super easy, don't overthink it. You're just gonna wanna grab a few pieces of hair from behind your ears and kind of pull that out. Up from top, some of these pieces that already have a nice wave to them. I just love doing this little touch because it makes it a little bit more romantic, a little whimsical if that's the look you're going for. I really love how both of these looks turned out. I love that it's super elegant, but it's tucked up and out of the way. So whether or not you're dancing through the night or it's kind of a summer hot one, you'll be set and good to go. Let me know in the comments below if there's any other looks you want me to try out. I'm planning my wedding, so I definitely am doing a little digging. Be sure to like and subscribe so you can see more like this, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.